In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok AI image generator. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in using this creative tool. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open Grok and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's a straightforward process to sign up. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the features Grok offers and any previous projects you may have worked on. Once you're in, you'll be ready to get started on creating stunning images. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and create a new chat. This is your blank canvas where the magic happens. It's just like opening a new document in a text editor. But in this case, it's a new session where you can create and customize your image prompts. Once your chat is ready, look for the option to create an image from the menu. This is where you can input your creative ideas and have Grok bring them to life. Selecting this option will gear the platform towards generating visuals based on the input you provide in the next steps. Now comes the fun part. Type your prompt clearly. This is the stage where your creativity really plays a role. Describe the image you'd like to generate as vividly as possible. Think about the colors, the mood, the level of detail, or any specific objects or themes you want to include. The more precise you are with your prompt, the better Grok can render an image that's just right for your needs. With your prompt ready, it's time to click Generate. This step will set Grok's algorithms into motion, interpreting your description and translating it into an array of visual possibilities. The AI works swiftly, so you won't be waiting long before you see a set of generated images that align with your prompt. Once Grok has presented the options, take some time to review them and choose your preferred result. This step allows for a bit of exploration as you navigate through the generated options. Trust your instincts about what speaks to you or fits your requirements best. Remember, you're not limited. The process allows you to experiment until you find the perfect match. Finally, when you've made your selection and you're happy with the result, it's time to download or share the image. Whether you're using it for a project, sharing it with friends, or adding it to a portfolio, Grok makes it easy for you to save or distribute your new creation. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through using Grok's AI image generator, turning your ideas into vivid digital art. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!